David, we'll talk about sort of the larger picture, too. We were mentioning earlier the macro front regarding the vaccine and so forth. It's actually manifesting itself in some pretty interesting sell-side calls. I'm looking at a couple here this morning. One is on D.R. Horton. JPMorgan says absent an incremental 50 to 75 basis point rise in rates over the next few months, that they think demand would be fairly strong in the housing sector, double-digit earnings through at least 2022. So that playbook of fading home builders here getting challenged a bit.
Yeah. Listen, it's still historically incredibly low rates. Things have slowed a little bit, I guess, in terms of new mortgages, I believe. I haven't listened to the latest numbers from Diana Olick, but you can see D.R. Horton shares, Mike, have been a place to be this year, as has much of that group to a large extent.
They all have. There's no doubt that it's another one of those areas where the charts look great. The bull case is obvious and broadly agreed upon, and so you wonder if it's time to say that it's all priced in. These are not necessarily the greatest of businesses over the course of an entire business cycle, really. But yet, when things are, the tailwinds are blowing, they do great. And, yields can go up. You have affordability issues. You have supply issues. But that all kind of works in favor of the newly built home. So it's very difficult to sort of take the other side. It's also a relatively small part of kind of consumer discretionary in the overall market, and people feel like it's the one that they can really bet on, Carl.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.